In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can practice flying jets and helicopters easily here in Battlefield 6. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment right here. Now, what I recommend doing if you want to go ahead and get some extra practice is actually host a custom game locally where there's going to be no one else in that game with you, meaning that you can practice flying without anyone shooting you down, and it's actually super easy to set up. First things first, go ahead and make sure that you do have player created content enabled or you won't see or be able to join any of those practice servers. To do that, go ahead and go into your settings and go specifically into your system settings down in the bottom left corner, and you'll see a show player created content section right here. Just make sure it's ticked on. If it is off, you're just going to see random numbers and get messages like content unavailable or it requires purchase. You don't want that. But once that is back on, go ahead and go back to the main menu and scroll down to see this community tab and hit search experiences. And what you're going to want to do is, first of all, change this to most like, and then go ahead and type something in like heli or jets. I'm going to go ahead and say helis just like so, and then just go ahead and hit search and wait for one of these options to pop up. I recommend doing one of these like training portal ones or training programs ones just because they are a little bit easier, but essentially select one that you like, scroll down and then go to host locally, and you're going to get loaded into the game. Now, hosting locally is obviously my personal go-to since it does load faster and no one actually interferes. Just give it about 30 seconds to load in. Once you get loaded in, you're going to see a bunch of different options for you to go ahead and fly. In this case, let's go ahead and say, I want to fly this jet over here, walk up to it, interact with it, and you'll be able to start flying just like that. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can practice flying jets and helicopters here in this game. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.